Alright, man, we got our little rig going on. We got the GTR on the back of the Scion. I went and picked up this carrier like last week, and it did good. Actually got out here to Keller, Texas, so we're gonna go on our first group ride with the rack. Good.
Missing the guy with the antennas.
I think he was losing voltage back there, but he did dip off that way. Oh, they went that way. Yeah, remember it split off two ways. I saw him go that way.
Did what?
With the antennas?
Scott went right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then the guy with the antennas went with him that way too.
Unless he just knows the route. All right, cool. Well,
yeah, give me tips.
All right.
Testing out the mic right now, so getting this ride, man. I've been really enjoying this. I got my cousin into it. He's in that Inmotion RS up there, enjoying himself. This is his first group ride. We're on our way to our first stop to eat and possibly charge if need be. Uh-oh, looks like we're making it to the street. Oh shit, unless we crossing for another part of the trail. But yeah, we got a big, I think it's about 14, 15 people out here today. Turn this music down all the way. Yeah, but the mic should be hitting pretty good. Little tight fit. Tight fit. Going on.
What up, bro?
He pulled out a big bike out here. 70. Yeah.
I'll see you just pretend like you're pedaling.
Hey, it's quiet enough. It's quiet enough. Oh, really? Hey, but if you put the exhaust, you ain't gonna be able to do shit like this. Hey, you got the big, what is that? Kawasaki what? Nice. Is it new? Yeah. Yeah? Okay.
My buddy has the same bike, yeah.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
You got a ride.
All right. Look like they hit the street. Ooh, them razors gone, boy. So them razors, they took off. Had to use a little bit of horsepower. Okay. We turning it up for us. Okay, the Super 73. Sheesh. Coming for him, boy. Woo! That guy's scary, man.
Scary.
That guy is scary, man. How fast it go? 50? I did too.
My board's fucking up.
Oh, really?
It says board over current.
What the fuck? It's probably because of the water. Is it allowing you to go a certain speed?
No, but I just don't want to fucking break it.
Yeah, especially with that amount of money. Ready? Ready? Shit. Pretty intense night ride. We are almost to the end of it. I think we're headed back. Jay really enjoying it, cruising right here next to me. The range on the GTR did pretty good. I mean, I didn't get here on a full charge. We did stop. I charged for maybe 45 minutes, and I'm at about, I'd say about a little over 50%. So I'm at about 60% battery left. So I think we're good, and we got about like 8 miles left. Uh-oh, okay. Hey. Okay. Yeah, we rolling, man. You having a good time? It's fun, man. I told you, community fun, man. It's a good community. Real good community. That's why I enjoy it. Everybody cool. Everybody look out for each other, you know? All right, what a ride. We have made it back to the cars, and that's it. It's probably dark as fuck. Probably can't even see me now, but yeah, what a ride. I tried to get some footage of the ride. I'm really trying to work with this mic setup that I got going on and just work with the camera because, like I said, when it comes to me uploading on YouTube and stuff like that, I'm really big on quality over quantity. I've said it multiple times, and I like the quality of my videos to be good. I don't like to just be uploading nonsense or just uploading crap just to be uploading it. So I always want to make sure that the audio is good, the video quality is good, everything like that. Right now I'm gonna head to the gym. If you're not familiar with me and you know what I do outside of the detailing and stuff, I do fitness training. I've been working out for about 9.5 years now, going on 10 years, and I'm pretty strong in the gym, and I work out damn near every day, about 7 days a week almost. I missed yesterday because of the group ride. I didn't get to make it in time. And we're supposed to go to a drag event out in Ferris, Texas. So there might be a drag racing event going to happen later on today. So I said, why not get my workout in early, and might put some clips in here. If not, I mean, I don't like filming in the gym. I'm not one of those people that like to set my camera up and do all of that. But sometimes it's best for me to get a little bit of content because I do training, so people need to know what I do. So it's like that battle between I don't like filming in the gym, but then I also got to advertise myself. So it is a little bit weird. All right, looks like you guys are going to see one of my biggest pet peeves, slamming weights for nothing. I swear, like, I hate that slamming the weights for no fucking reason. Like, dude, just set it down, bro. drinking your goddamn water too. Yeah. Especially if we be working out in that heat. I get real dehydrated around this time of the year. And trying to work out at the same time, it's tough, man. People are surprised that I actually start off at 225 on the bench. Warm-up weight. You gotta keep pushing yourself. Let's go. Yep. Easy. Quick workout session before I head out. I might get a little bit of footage of the drag event. I don't know if I'm gonna make it there on time. That's the issue. But yeah, man, if like I said, I do fitness training, so if you guys need any training online, in person, I do all of that stuff. Been there for a while. But as you guys can see, and especially for my body weight, I think I'm one of the top lifters in Texas right now. So, but I appreciate you guys swinging by. If this is the end of the video, make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button for me. And appreciate all the constant support that you guys give me on the channel and stuff like that. So